Hello, I wanted to provide you with a short little review of the West DFW REI Group Sub 2 meeting, or all-day webinar actually, that Tim Cook put on. It was a very well thought out, well presented day session, had a lot of content, helped me understand better all of the pieces that are involved in it. There's a lot of moving pieces. He had very good forms that we could fill out to evaluate, so we weren't wasting time on properties that wouldn't be a candidate for sub 2. He also had experts in the class that were talking about how to make sure that once you secure the deal and get it under contract, that everything was filled out and done well, and then how to set it up afterwards so that whenever you continue on over the following years, things go smoothly, what to expect when they don't go smoothly, how to handle those types of things. It was a very complete all-in-one package, and I got a lot out of it. I learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to implementing it.